Here we go on the 54 tour. Let's see here. 2-door 110, 210, 510, $2.89. Yeah, 210. No, that's not a Chevrolet engine. What? He's got no engines. What's he gonna do at Race Wars? Push it across the finish line? Oh look, a front cap. But wait. Oh. Paid no attention. That Corvette doesn't exist. Literally. No more. Well, here's the twin sisters. That one, ain't sure at. This one, through my redneck ingenuity, gonna say she's gonna crank up. Hopefully I don't suck the radiator into the fan and a bunch of other stuff, because there ain't nothing like bungee cords and sticks to build a motor. Alright, I'm gonna hand the video over to my prodigy, and then we're gonna, hey prodigy dibbity, and say hey folks.
Hello folks.
That's all. Alright, here, can you see? Of course you can. Alright, let's go turn the switch on and jump the battery charger and charge up the, okay, give it a little go juice, cross fingers. Got a jug full of gas, a fuel line, spark, nothing to start it with. Where's my little handy dandy? I'll use these, they'll work in a pinch. Alright, corn tack. Well, that was pretty. Oh, happy days. Sounds like there might be a rod knocking, but hey.
Not spitting clouds of smoke no more.
Got a little mess, but nothing major. For something that's half 100 years old. Need to add a little bit of water. Thirsty girl. Well, just stuck a nail in my shoe. Ow, 2 nails. Do not have this laying around your shop ground. Does not make for happy feet. Yay, there she blows. I think the thermostat opened. That's the part where you put the cap back on.
I'd say that's a line driving car when it's not.
There's a lot to be done to that motor.
It runs, don't it?
Not like a deer. she's not perfect, she ain't too shabby. Temperature's running in the middle. It's gonna turn out to be a fun little car. This one's gonna take a little more. Hello, lizard. Run, lizard, run. But it has this perk. Got a pretty nice dash. The radio hasn't been cut out. It has potential. Next is to see if we can't crank this little puppy up. Had to steal some parts off of it for that one because that one had a bad carburetor. But hey, all in all, we got toys. We're gonna need a trunk pan work, quarter bottoms, a couple floor pans. That's pretty much normal. Look at them pretty bumpers. Both cars got skirts. Fake bullet holes. I guess that's the cool thing. I don't know. Alright. We're getting some blow by now. That may not be a good one. We're going to shut her down. We'll be back again later.